Hello, Ruby. How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking.
Okay, thanks. As today it is our first meet, please, I will want to know
Yes.
something about you.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Hema. I was born and raised in Delhi. Originally, I am from India. However, I have been living in Australia for the past 16 years, which I enjoy. I have done my post graduation in Hindi honors in India from Delhi University. After getting married, I came to Australia. I have done here my Bachelor of Education. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher here. By profession, I'm a teacher. Moreover, I am an English trainer on Preply. Sides, I have a channel on the YouTube, which is the art of speaking English, and that is all about me.
Nice, thanks too. Now I am telling you about me. So I am
Mm-hmm.
Ruby now, and I am from India.
Mm-hmm.
Belongs the state of Assam. I have grown up here, and my study also completed in Assam, and I have got married also in Assam. Before
Okay.
married, I worked in schools as math teachers, but at present, I am housewife. Nothing I am doing it. Only I help my husband's has business because he is a shop owner, and so I had to help him. But at present, I am staying far from him on behalf of my son for the study purpose. But so therefore, I have available time now, and I am not fluent in English. So I am watching that YouTube. Such a platform is here, so I can practice here. That's why I started my journey. The last 22nd March. That is
Okay.
this is little.
Good to hear about you. Thanks for your introduction. You said you are a just housemaker, you don't do anything. But I think being a housemaker itself is a handful. I am sure you must be very busy because you have been helping your husband as well and you have been trying to learn this English language. That is great. Great to know about you. So, how has your day been?
Sorry, ma'am.
How has your day been?
Uh,
Okay.
they,
How is your day today? Are you having good day today?
yes, it is
Okay.
good.
Okay. Was it busy day for you?
Yeah. Today was busy because I had to go outside due to some work. So now I am free. So I,
So may I know how long you have been learning English?
as I told you, the last 22nd March.
Okay. So as an English learner, do you face any difficulties?
Sometimes I fumbling and sometimes I don't get out a word from my mind. So, what I have to say, I know what I think. Because of practice, this is happens. Because when
Yeah.
I were in English, I was a teacher in schools. In that time, my English speaking was better than now. But we are from very small towns where we have no platform to speak in English. So because of practice, I think my English speaking has declined today. So that is our.
I am very impressed by seeing your efforts you are putting and you have been trying to learn this language. That is really commendable. You know, if you want, you can stay home and you can tell your husband, no, I can't do anything. You just do your work. I need to stay at home. But you are putting your time and your effort. Don't you think it is very commendable? Yeah. Do you praise yourself?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you married, ma'am?
I am
How
married.
many siblings?
Yes. I
How
have
many?
two children.
How many siblings do you have?
I got
How
two
many siblings do you
siblings. I got two siblings. I'm the youngest one in the family.
have? At present, you are living in Delhi,
No, at present I am in Australia. Yes.
Australia. You
Yeah.
grown up in Delhi. You have to very hard to manage time, is not it? Are you getting hard to manage time?
It is hard to manage time, but I don't want to be spare. I want to engage myself in learning and helping other people. So this is my hobby. I'm very passionate about teaching others and learning and developing my skills. Yes.
Very nice, very nice. You are giving, it means you are trainer as in
Yes.
English, through YouTuber also.
No, no, no. I have joined an international platform called Preply. You can search if you want. My profile is there.
Yeah, what? Practically. What was
Sorry?
that platform's name? What
You
is
know,
that platform's name?
I am getting messages from other people. Always when I have session, I'm getting messages from other people. Ma'am, please tell me time. What is the time there? Can you just make time today? So yes, it is so distracted. Yeah. So what were you asking?
I was asking that you are training the peoples to learn English through YouTube, or you have offline platform also.
As I told you, I am an English trainer on one of the international platforms called Preply. So I am helping other people to learn English. So I take some classes on that platform. I used to take tuition before, but not now anymore because I need to make sure that I have my me time too. you know,
How living in Australia?
it has been for 16 years.
Did you have gone there after marriage or before marriage? So you
After
are living
marriage,
there after
after
marriage.
marriage, I came here. You know, if parents they don't allow if you are not married. What about
Our
your parents? How are they? Do
no, my parents, both parents are expired. My father expired when I was in class 9, and my mother expired in Corona 2019.
very sad to hear about that.
And
So how?
my mother was a teacher, and father was a businessman.
So
And
you miss them, yeah? You miss them, yeah?
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Miss them means I miss my mother a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do understand. Yes, it is. So do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have. We have 5 siblings. Both are
Oh,
married. I am
okay.
most younger.
Yes.
I am younger,
Mm,
but all we are in India, in different
uh,
states. My mother is in
yes.
Hyderabad, and
Mm-hmm.
my elder she is in Calcutta, and my
Mm-hmm.
oldest brother is in Assam, and I am in Assam. So that is.
So it is good na your siblings some they live in Delhi, some they live in Kolkata, some they are also living in Assam. So you can go sometime for holiday to meet them. Sometime you can go to your brother house, you know.
Yeah, you are right. But as I told you that my husband is a businessman, and I have
Yes,
to
it is
help them.
hard.
My
Yes,
father-in-law, mother here, and they were now they expired in October. Last October, my father-in-law has expired. So they were too
oh,
old. Because of them,
okay.
I so did not get time to visit in other places.
Yes. You know, it is good to keep ourselves busy if we have this calamity, if we have this, if we suffering from this kind of problems. So when we busy, what happen? Then we can focus on our learning. We can work towards our goals, and that way we can feel happy. We can feel satisfied. Yes.
As I told you that I have started my journey last 22nd March, and from
Mm,
them talking with different peoples from different places. Suppose you are
yeah.
talking with Australia. Before that,
Mm,
I never Australia peoples like this. So
mm,
it is
yes.
very very
No,
enjoyable
don't
for me.
feel like that. No, don't feel like, I'm okay. I'm very comfortable talking with the people because I like to talk with the people. And look, are you feeling happy connecting to me or not? Are you
Yeah,
feeling
I'm
okay?
very, I am very happy.
I know sometimes we miss our family and our dear one, but it's okay. We can make new friends, yeah? Can we
Yeah,
make new friends? So,
tell me
this
about.
world, because this word not going to stay as it is. It is temporary word. People, they will come and they will go. Yeah, people will come into your life and they will go out of your life, but you need to be a strong woman. Be strong, okay? It's okay. People will come and go, but you need to focus on your learning, okay? And don't get too much attached with people, you know, because everything is temporary here. We will also gonna die, my dear. Yeah, you know, yeah, I am also suffering with the same problem. My father-in-law, he just died a few days ago. I thought, okay, I still continue what I am doing it, because if I keep myself spare, what will happen? Then I will be very emotional and I will be mad. I don't want to do like this. So that's why I'm thinking, okay, just keep going on. Life will not finish. Life will continue. Even they died, still they are somewhere in this planet. But we are not able to
Yeah,
see them. Yes?
right, right.
So feel okay. They are around us. The only thing we cannot see them, you know? And you
Yeah.
can make new friends. Yeah, you have very good personality. You can talk to other people. You can make friends. You can learn from them. Yes. Do you have any children? Do you have any
Yeah, I
children?
have one son. He is in
Okay.
12th standard.
Okay, that
He
is
is 12.
great. He does
He
not
has
keep you
grown.
busy? He doesn't keep you busy?
Sorry.
If you're busy, you won't think all this. You know what you do?
Uh,
Ruby, you need to write in a diary. Okay? Okay?
oh,
Write in a diary whatever you're thinking, you're feeling. Try to write in English. That will help you. You will improve your English, and that way, what is going inside your mind, it will come out. And then you feel relaxed. As soon as you get up, you need to say, thank you, God, giving me this beautiful life. Yes. And I know my parents, they are around here. You are looking them very well. Now this is my turn to look after my son. Yeah.
yeah, right.
Are we not going to stay forever? Are we going to stay forever? This is just a matter of time.
I am not taking any preparation out of YouTube.
Yes.
So I think I have to improve my skills. I have to note
Yes.
down also something to
Yes.
use.
Why don't you make your own channel?
I have made, but I don't know how to edit. So yet I have not uploaded, but I think I will upload it. I will soon learn it. I think I will able to learn YouTube.
Yeah,
Uh,
do that. Lots of people, they learn this is very easy. It's not a tough job. Yeah,
yeah, right.
you can do this. Me. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to ask anything before we finish?
Tell me about weather of Australia at present.
It's autumn season at this moment, so we are okay. Sometimes I feel cold, so I put jumper on. Otherwise, I don't need it. But yes, during the summertime, we have not much hot weather, but it is some kind of for us, just for a couple of months, maybe 1 month or 2 months. And because it's autumn at this moment, so it is okay. No cold, not hot. I can tolerate that. So we have 4 seasons. We have winter, we have summer, we have autumn, we have spring. So right now in India, summer will come. Sorry, winter, summer come, yeah. Summer is coming, and here it is opposite. Now I'm going to have a winter here.
Yeah, then in summer season it's very hot, I think.
It's not very
When
hot.
it
Some days we have temperature. It goes to up to 40, but and after 1 day or 2 days it cools down. So that is great thing.
what about food there? Food habitat there.
Food, we have here a variety of food. Whatever you want to eat, you name the food and it will be here.
So it is the life there.
Yeah, we have very
Yeah.
good life here. But yes, definitely because I'm not with my family. I'm surviving by myself. I'm looking after my children by myself. I'm working here and managing all these things. So you need to be strong, okay? Everything is okay. At least you are in India, in your country. Yeah, you need not to miss out on anything.
Yeah,
Yeah?
right. Right. Right.
Okay.
Ah,
I hope it makes you happy. Now I have to leave because I am going to have another session.
okay, thanks. Nice to meet you.
Yes, same
Nice.
here. And keep smiling, please. Big smile. Can you give me a big smile? Great. Keep smiling. Bye.
Again.
Bye.
Thanks.